Hey, it's Bill back in the shop. Just wanted to do a quick kind of rig review on this. You know, I've had it out a few times now. Had it on all different terrain, and I mean, this thing really does great, man. I mean, I really like the way it moves, the way it drives. After my first couple videos, I did not have the gear reduction unit in. I ended up squeezing the gear reduction unit in there. I went from a 45 turn just brushed motor, and then I put in the 27 turn rebuildable with the gear reduction. These past few videos it's had the gear reduction in there, and I really like the way it moves. I mean, it's not a speed demon in any way. I mean, this thing is not going fast, but it crawls good. I mean, it looks realistic, and that's what I like doing. So I did want to kind of do a review on these Gmade piggyback shocks. These are 93 millimeter. When I first put them together, which they were kind of a pain in the butt to put together, but got them together, got them adjusted, but they were really stiff, and I was worried about that. I was used to the old Axial Icon, shocks, and they're real nice and soft and smooth, but I mean, these things were really hard, and I was worried about it. But then, after getting the body, everything on here, this thing is heavy. I mean, this thing weighs, it's just under 12 pounds. So with that and these shocks, it ended up being, I mean, really nice. I mean, it has nice bounce, nice movement. So with this kind of weight, I think these shocks are great. If you were running a Lexan body and a lighter rig, those shocks really would be too stiff. But anyway, something with that. I also, after my first couple videos, adjusted the wheelbase. The back tires just were sitting back too far, and the front, was kind of back too far. So I ended up with these Hot Racing links. They have those red spacers in there. I took the spacers out of the front of the back links and added them to the back of the front links to just kind of shift the tires all forward a little bit, which it made it a ton better, and I like it now. So, but yeah, I mean, it's really done. Enjoying making videos with it. I am going to start a new project. It's not a complete build, but I am doing another body. I've got another one of these bodies coming, the JK body, and I'm going to do some different things to it. But that way I can take this body off, and I can just pop another, body on this chassis and drive it around. So, a little project I'm doing. I started making little taillight covers for that new body. I don't have the body yet, but it's coming. But I'm making these little taillight covers to kind of go around the taillights. Just already, thinking about ideas on this other body. So it's going to be different than this one. But yeah, I'll get into that when I get the parts and everything here. We'll maybe shoot a video on that. But that's really what I'm doing. I also wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. Since I started this project, I've had tons more views and a lot more subscribers. I've went over 100 subscribers, and in the YouTube world, I mean, that's maybe your first milestone. So I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, all the people that comment. It's just a great community. It's what gives me the drive to keep shooting video and going out there doing these kind of things. I mean, someone else enjoys what I'm doing, so that's enjoyable for me. So I really appreciate it. I want to say thank you to everybody. But that's about it. See you on the trail, or see you in the shop. Thanks.